Hello, today we're going to go over how to print your class schedule from your Vanguard portal. Let's get started. To begin, at the top of a new tab, we're going to type in mycampus.asub.edu. Then on the right, we're going to click where it says Login in red. When it drops down, we're going to click Student Portal Homepage. Once we're on the Student Portal homepage, we're going to enter in our username, which is going to be our first name, period last name, then our password. I'm going to enter in my password, and then I'll return back to you shortly. Now that I have my password in, I'm going to click Login at the bottom. Next, we're going to draw our attention to the left. We're going to click Academics, and then when it drops down, we're going to click Your Class Schedule. Once on this page, we're going to click where it says Schedule Report. This should prompt a download at the bottom of your screen. As you can see here on Google Chrome, it appears at the bottom. I'm going to click on it. Once I click on it, you can see it appears here in a new tab. This Student Schedule Report displays much information, like the day the class is, the time, the location, the building code, which SB stands for Science Building, the course code and section, the class it is, as well as the instructor, if you can audit the class and the available credits, the start and end date, and the specific type of class it is. Once you've reviewed over this information and you would like to print this page out, on Google Chrome, click the three little dots at the top right. Then, once it drops down, click Print. When this prompt appears, where it says Destination, click the drop-down and click Save as PDF. That was how to print your schedule out using your Vanguard Student Portal. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you, and have a great day.